Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a little get ready with me. We kind of chatted, played with some makeup. I created this very pretty, simple, dewy skin, glossy accents, pop of duochrome liner, that kind of thing. Really like how this one came out. But before we move forward and jump into this video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community that has thousands of classes for creative and curious people, such as myself, maybe such as you. There is such a wide range of topics they cover, anything from photography to illustration to lifestyle-y things like plants and cooking. Literally, if you can think of it, there's probably a class for it on Skillshare. There is something for everybody on Skillshare, whether you're a creative, a professional, a beginner, someone more advanced, there will be something for you. It's perfect if you're trying to explore new skills or just dive further deeper into your creative aspirations. Skillshare is also perfect if you're just simply trying to learn because there's no ads. It's just perfectly curated for you to get the knowledge that you are seeking. They are constantly launching new classes, so there's always going to be something new for you to learn, and it's only $10 a month with an annual subscription. The class I've personally been loving is Productivity for Creatives, Build a System That Brings Out Your Best by Thomas Frank. As soon as I saw the title, I knew that class would be perfect for me because I like to think of myself as a creative that likes to take this very seriously. I do have a job outside of YouTube, but I do like to treat YouTube professionally and as another job in itself. This class was super helpful for me. It helped me kind of find new ways to stay more organized, use my productivity to the best of its ability. One of my favorite segments of Thomas's class was the inspiration as a muscle segment. Something about that really clicked into my head on kind of when to turn on and off my inspiration and when to be able to focus my creative mind in certain times of the day, especially because I am balancing a full-time regular job and then this as well. And I'm excited to announce that the first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will get a free trial of the membership. Skillshare has been such a cool place to learn and explore and discover new things, and I'm so excited that I got to partner with them on today's video. Skillshare, thank you again so much for working with me on this video. All right, before we hop into the get ready with me itself, this choker, I believe is from Raven Beads or Shop Sun & Co. I'm not positive, it's quite old. This wig is a Charisma brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling, and this is a CC brand beanie. Anyways, I'm very excited. Let's just hop in, play with some makeup. Go ahead and grab your makeup, grab a snack, start on your chores if you have me on in the background as you're cleaning, and let's just have some fun. Hi, hello, how's it going? It's Sunday, I guess it's afternoon now, it's literally noon, but I was gonna say Sunday morning. Hello, how's it going? We're gonna play with some makeup. I have a lot of older things actually, and just one new thing that I wanna try out and play with you guys. So I'm excited. I just wanna dive in, play with makeup, chit chat a little bit. Nothing too crazy, no crazy life updates. I just simply wanted to hang out with you guys and play with some makeup. I did already throw some brow gel in and I have primed my skin. I'm using the Milk Hydrogrip primer again. I've revisited this and I don't know why I ever put it down. This will forever and always be my favorite primer. It's just so good. Been using it the last week and I love it. It's the best. If I forget to mention something, as usual, it will be of course in the description box, but we're gonna go in first with my Colourpop No Filter Foundation Stick. I've been just trying to use it up. We'll get through it eventually. We're getting there. Mine is in the shade Fair 27N. Just gonna draw a couple little lines all around, like so. And I've been using this Kaleido sponge just to get use out of it because it was just sitting in my drawer untouched and I figured I might as well use it up. I like the sponge itself. I do prefer a microfiber sponge, but I can't stand the shape of this. It is kind of annoying to use. I feel like it always leaves lines on my face, so I usually have to go through and use like a brush to blend some of my edges out, but it's okay. It'll work for the time being until it dies. How are you guys doing? What's new with you? What's new in your life? I'd love to know. We get to have our pre-drywall walkthrough on Wednesday. I think that'll have already happened by the time this video goes up, but we're excited just to get another thing checked off the list with this house process. We don't have an official close date yet. They're saying it should be the end of March. They're hoping for, I think, March 26th. So hopefully that'll be our closing date. We will just wait and see. Our loan's ready to go. We just need our closing date. But I'm excited. It's getting closer and I cannot wait. January went by so fast, didn't it? Like, I feel like Christmas was yesterday. I cannot believe it. Is there any new makeup out that you have your eye on? I think the only thing that I desperately want and I might buy is that new Auric Beauty like luminizing product. I don't remember what it's called off the top of my head, but Samantha Ravndal's brand. she came out with this product. Do you see how awkward it is to like blend this concealer out? I usually end up picking up a brush for my concealer. This is the Alter Ego No. 4 brush. It's part of their new brush collection. But I'm really into that. I think it's like $40, so it's a bit higher than I would normally want to pay. And I get that her brand is like more on the luxury side. That's what she's branding herself as. But I might actually treat myself to that because it looks so good. You can use it by itself, use it as a liquid highlight, mix it with foundation, and it looks beautiful. Every single person I've seen play with it so far, it looks amazing. So I might get that. I'm really excited for Angelica's Kaleidos collab. That is being sent to me. I don't have it as of the moment that I'm filming this, but you better believe as soon as I get it in the mail, I'm gonna make a video for you guys because I'm so excited to play with it. It looks beautiful. I'm so proud of her and I'm so excited for her. She killed it and I just cannot wait to play with it. I don't really know if there's anything else makeup wise that has super caught my attention. There's like little things here and there, but I think the Samantha Ravindal product is the main one that I'm considering buying. You guys watched any good shows or movies lately? We finally watched Soul on Disney Plus and oh my gosh, is it good? If you haven't watched it yet, please do. It'll just make you feel all the emotions. It's so good. NYX High Glass Finishing Powder. Oh, another product that I'm considering is that new Becca like luminous light coverage foundation thing. It looks really good and it looks right up my alley, but I really don't need another foundation, so I don't think I'm gonna get that one, but I am tempted. If you've heard anything good or bad about that one, let me know. But yeah, Soul was so good. It makes you just feel so many emotions. It's a heavy hitter, that's for sure. My lips are feeling dry and crusty. This is the Vanilla Pearl lip mask from Fourth Ray Beauty, and it's so good. I love the Fourth Ray Beauty lip masks. I'm very tempted to buy a couple more, even though I have plenty of lip balms and stuff right now. Ooh, but these lip masks are so good. They are so juicy, nourishing. I love it. All right, for bronzer, I'm gonna use my Becca Bali Sands. I've been using this one nonstop lately. I'm gonna use the Alter Ego No. 1 brush, also from that new brush collection. Kind of wanna hit pan on this bronzer also. I've gone through one of these already in my day. And I kinda wanna do it again. It's just my favorite bronzer for pale skin. Unsure if I'll repurchase it again or not though. Part of me wants to branch out and try newer things because I get very stuck in my ways with bronzer. I think I only own like 2 or 3 total, but I don't know, maybe I will. It's just so good. I don't even know why I'm bronzing my forehead. 1, I don't usually, and 2, I'm gonna be wearing a beanie with a wig soon anyway. Why do I do the things I do? Have you guys started the new season of RuPaul's Drag Race yet? I think I've only watched the first 2 episodes. I think I'm an episode behind, but it's really good so far. I don't know if I have a favorite person just yet, but I'm into it. If you have a favorite person, I'd love to know who you're enjoying right now. For blush, I want to use the Colourpop Hello Kitty one in Bundled Up. I don't know if anything from this collection is still available. If it is, it'll obviously be in the description box, but I know with these like pop culture collabs, they don't always stick around long term, but I really like this blush, so I wanted to use it. It's just kind of like a warm, glowy, pinky color. It's really pretty. Do you guys have any plans for February? I think this video is going up right at the tail end of the month, so what are you doing for February? I'm excited for Valentine's Day. That's Say and I's first anniversary. We're not doing anything, but I'm just excited. I think we're gonna order a tiny version of our wedding cake because I miss my wedding cake. I think it was a marble cake with cannoli filling and buttercream icing. It was so good. I love Valentine's Day. I don't even care. I think it's so cute. I know people get heated about it because it's very like, I don't know, people capitalize on it, you know what I mean? Like it's just such a moneymaker with chocolates and presents and flowers and stuff like that. But you know what? I just think it's so cute. I love pink and red. I love heart-shaped things. I'm very excited about it. It's one of my favorite holidays probably, actually. I don't celebrate it like huge, but I just appreciate that time of year. I think it's adorable. I'm sad that I'm not decorating for Valentine's Day. I usually decorate for it, but with the move being so close, I just don't wanna. Ooh, this is so cute. I feel like I'm having really good skin lately. I don't know what it is, but I'm not gonna complain. Fake freckle time, Kimchi Chic fake freckles. I really wanna try more from this brand. Have you tried this brand? Let me know what's good and what's not. I'm very interested in the blushes, bronzers, and highlights. but you tell me what's good and what's not. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything anytime soon. I'm still not trying to spend a lot of money on makeup, but I would still like to know what's good and what's not because I'm nosy. I heard the eyeshadows weren't good, but that's all I've really heard so far. Just gonna tap these guys out. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more on the forehead. Usually I would take them a little bit higher on my forehead, but I will have a beanie on, so they won't even show. Started playing Sims a little bit again recently. I'm really excited for the Seance pack. Did you guys see that? You're gonna be able to have like a haunted house and like host a seance, all the fun things, you know, just cute, quirky, girly things. Okay, for highlight, I've been using my Fenty How Many Carats Diamond Balm because I'm getting a good amount of pan. Like this part of the pan is showing a lot. There's a hole right there, so I'm just trying to use it up. And I just think it's so pretty. It's just like translucent, sparkly wetness. It's so pretty. Just makes your skin look wet and dewy and glassy and all the good things. I kind of want the pink version of this, but I think it would be too dark for me, so I don't think I need it. But I'm tempted just because the pictures looked so good. I don't even want to buy new makeup. I just want to fantasize about buying new makeup. Do you ever feel like that? Like you don't physically want to buy anything, you just want to think about buying things. All right, real quick, I'm just going to take my NYX Brow Glue. I always like to do this last once my face is done so I can really fluff the brows up. This stuff is so good. It really makes my super straight, stubborn brow hairs actually stick up and stay in place where I want them to be. What a difference. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but I love it. I love the fluffy brow trend. I think it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna set my face with the Milk Hydrogrip setting spray. Look how low it is getting. I love this stuff. All right, let's move on to the eyes. I'm very excited. Only a couple products we're gonna use, but it's gonna be so pretty. I'm gonna first prime with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and we'll go ahead and just do both eyes because we're doing such a quick like base eyeshadow look. It's gonna take no time. Just gonna blend this out, and I'm not gonna set it because, say it with me, I don't prefer to do that. All right, take good old Colourpop Ritz, such a beautiful topper shade, or by itself shade in this case. I just want a wet, glossy looking lid before we put our fun liner on. I think this will be a good background without taking away from anything. Oh my gosh, I feel like I can already feel the pan on this one. This will be my second Ritz I've gone through, holy cow. Just gonna take a blending brush and just buff the edges. Not that there's really anything to buff, but just so there's not like a harsh line where my finger stopped. Just look how wet and glossy it makes your lids look. It's so pretty. One of the ultimate shadows ever. It's just beautiful. Colourpop Ritz. You gotta love it. And we'll go ahead and pop the inner corner in. Just gonna use that Fenty highlight again so that it complements my face highlights. Nothing too crazy. All right, so I bought 2 of the Glam Vice Retro liners in the Duochrome collection. This one is Venus that I want to use today. I think the other one I got is Celestial. I'll use it at some point, but Venus was calling to me today. I don't know why. And I'm very excited. I've used these before, not this specific one, but I've used like the Glam Vice liners before. I've heard that the Duochrome ones are a little bit more difficult to get the right consistency, so I have a little thing of water next to me, and I'm just going in with the liner brush and just slowly adding more and more water. This specific brush is from Illamasqua. It's just a liner brush. It's kind of short and it's small and pointy. I'm just going back and forth adding water until I get just a really creamy consistency. It's one of those things that's kind of a learning curve, figuring out exactly how much water you need, because you don't want it to be too wet and runny, but you also don't want it to be thick and solid. Oh, I'm so excited to put this on my eye. You guys have no idea. I almost bought them all, but I was like, Betty Jean, you're trying to save money. Don't buy all of them. And I also wanted to make sure I liked them before I committed, but if this goes well, I might pick up a couple more at some point. I really like the Glam Vice liners. I think they're a lot of fun. I'm still mixing, by the way. This whole time I've just been adding water and mixing. There we go. We're starting to get to a good consistency. I feel like that seems about right. Let me get a little mirror here. Yeah, I feel like this is good. Just gonna make sure I don't have too much on my brush so that I don't make a mess. I'm gonna start by drawing my wing out here, going up towards the tail of my brow. And I want it to be a pretty large wing because this is going to be such a cool color, hopefully. Just going to draw this across my lid just to get that base settled. So far, I feel like I'm actually having an easier time with this Duochrome one than the regular ones. Maybe I just nailed the consistency. First try. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so pretty. I need to play with my Glam Vice liners more. I don't bust them out enough. I need to. I'm gonna add a little more water to this. We're drying out a little bit. All right, I'm gonna start trying to draw this tail now. Just building it up where I see fit. Trying to keep my eyes closed as possible during this because it is wet. I don't want it to transfer and make a mess. I can always build onto it later. I'm loving this though. This is really pretty. It goes from this like purple to this like weird dark grungy greenish kind of color. It's really pretty. I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it to this side and then maybe perfect some things. And I guess I'll just be back when I put on my lashes and liner. I don't know what I want for my lips today. I haven't decided. I'll be back when I'm complete. Hello, I am complete. I love how this look came out. It's very simple at the end of the day. Like there's not a whole lot going on, but I feel like it's very pretty. We have this kind of glossy skin, glossy lip kind of thing, and then this cool pop of liner. I'm really into this. The eye pencil I paired with this is Platinum from NYX. It's my go-to when I want a very wet looking waterline to go with like wetness that's on the rest of my face. I think this one's beautiful. I kind of want to find a version of this that's very wet and metallic, but a little more champagne-y, because I don't really have a neutral wet liner. I'm gonna find one. The lashes I paired with this are the style Heather from Noella Lashes, and on my lips, my little lip combo is the Cool BFF lip pencil from Colourpop and the Glossier holographic lip gloss. I just wanted something kind of just wet looking, a little interesting, but nothing too loud. I really like how this came out. I think it's so pretty. I hope you like it too. I guess let's just zoom out and finish up this video. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you like that little get ready with me? I had fun. I feel so cute. Again, this was so simple, but I feel like it's so pretty, you know? I'm really excited about this liner. I don't know if the shift shows up as well on camera as it does in real life, but it really does go from kind of that dark grungy color to this bright purple. It's really pretty. I'm excited to play with the other one, and I'm very tempted to pick up some more. So these are very exciting for me. I'm very into it. I just wanted to thank Skillshare again for partnering with me on this video. And just a reminder to you guys that the first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will get a free trial to the premium membership. Anyways, I guess that's about it. If you made it to the end of this video, please leave me a dinosaur emoji. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to information and resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.